Hello, in this video I will explain how to install Node, npm, Mongo and Python. So to start the installation, you have to open terminal and you have to copy paste the command which is given in the description box. For the first time, it will ask you to enter the system password. Enter the password and press enter. Then it will start to install. Wait till the installation is complete. To check whether the node is being installed and the version, type node minus space minus v and press enter. Here it will show the version that is installed. Now to install the npm, you have to copy paste this command and paste it in the terminal. And press enter. Now it will start to install the npm also. Give Y to continue and press enter. Now npm has been installed. To check the version of the npm, give npm space minus v and press enter. It will show the version that is installed. To install the Mongo, copy paste this command and paste it in the command prompt. And now press enter. It will start to install the Mongo. Wait till the installation is complete. Press Y to end and press enter to continue. Now Mongo has been installed. To check the version of the Mongo, type Mongo space minus minus version and press enter. It will show the Mongo version. Python is installed. To check whether Python is pre-installed, type Python space minus capital V and press enter. It will show the version that is installed. In case if it is not installed, you can give these three commands and you can install in the Ubuntu machine. This is how you have to install Node, Mongo, npm and Python in an Ubuntu machine. Send us your queries and suggestions to sales@testonmeet.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.